bar chords are chords that will move you away from beginner guitar status and will get you playing different rhythms and different styles too. So this is an E-shaped bar chord, but what exactly does that mean? When you're down here, you're at the open position and this is an E chord. And the root is here on this 6th string, the low E string. The chord changes as you move up the fretboard, so you get a different chord. So at the bottom here we've got E. To make the bar chord we now need to go from 1, 2 and 3 to 2, 3 and 4. When you move up the fretboard we get a different chord. And knowing the notes on this low E string becomes really important. Now I've got a short video about the notes on the low E string. I'll leave a little link down below in the description for you. The open E chord is like this, as you know. Now changing to form the bar chord, we need to do this. So we're using 2, 3 and 4. First finger is freed up. Move it up 1 fret. Bar the here. And what we now have is an F chord. Because this note here, the first fret of the low E string, is an F. Moving up 2 frets, this is a G. This is a G note. Moving up another 2 frets, this is an A. Up to the 7th fret, this is a B. Up to the 8th fret, that's a C. Up to the 10th fret, that's a D. And then we are up to the 12th fret, which is an E, which is exactly the same chord as down here. Let's try moving this E-shaped bar chord up the fretboard from the 1st fret all the way up to the 12th fret. Sliding up is really important, and one of the things that you want to do when you are sliding up is to release your grip. Okay, so don't take your fingers off the fretboard. So if you're on the F chord, before you slide up, release, and that will stop the sound. Slide, press down, and play. Okay, don't take your fingers off and do that, because that'll take more time to get you back onto the fretboard again. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. E. That's actually pretty difficult at the top there, because you know the fingers get all bunched up like that, and yeah, it doesn't sound too good. Not too good, but it's not often that I play up there, so it's not really a problem. However, D is good, C is good. So generally, the further up you go in the fretboard, the more difficult it gets to play, and especially on an acoustic guitar. So why don't you go back, play along with me a few times. So I've just looked at the 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 8th, 10th and 12th frets, and of course there are chords between those frets. But for this lesson, let's be natural. If you want to see how to use this E-shaped bar chord, then click or tap the screen here. Thanks for watching, happy strumming.